Good morning to all of you. Myself Rakesh Bansal, Principal of Divine Academy School, Nawada Mode, Tigam Road, Faridabad. Today we are going to make a video for the upgradation of my school. The school is established in year 2000 and we got first affiliation from Haryana State Board in 2006, and in 2015 we have got the affiliation of secondary school from CBSE New Delhi. This school is run under the aegis of Saraswati Charitable Society, Faridabad. Now, due to some post-COVID complications, now I am going to hand over the mic to my Vice Principal, Ma'am Miss Alumalu Mangai. She will describe the whole holistic view and the physical infrastructure of Divine Academy as per required by the CBSE. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for the kind information that you have been provided about our school. Now, under the able guidance of our principal, sir, we are moving into our school premises. This is our main gate, entry number 1. Let me take you inside through the main gate number 1. Security guard is opening the gate. Please welcome into our school. As this is the COVID time, prevention is better than cure. This is the gate register properly maintained by our guard for the entry of the visitors. To my right, you could see the guard room. This is to ensure the safety of our children. We always give importance to the safety of our children and students. Let me show you the boundary wall. The tall 9 feet boundary wall all over our school, continuous, which will take you inside the school. Now let us move ahead towards the school premises. As I said earlier, that safety is our paramount importance. Let me show you the CCTV camera that has been installed over the monogram of our school for the surveillance of the and safety of our children. Now, let me move. This is the small garden. You could have the whole view from here. Well-maintained garden and a DG set to ensure the uninterrupted power supply. Now, here we have a small play area for our pre-primary kids. They always enjoy here playing the games under the watchful eyes of their mother teachers. Now, let me take you to the another side of our premises. Let me take you to the directions board. Here is this board displayed that has been the different rooms that has been assigned. It will lead you to water harvesting system, disposal unit to my right side, and to my left side we can lead to playground, medical room and cafeteria. Now, let me show you the parking lot. This is our parking lot that has been allotted to our management members. Let me move ahead. In front of me, to my right side, you could see one more parking zone that has been allotted for our staff members. Once again, I would like you to show you the tall 9 feet boundary wall, concrete pakha boundary wall, and also one more CCTV that has been fitted over here to ensure the safety of our children for the surveillance. Moving ahead to our main school premises, let me take you inside. Welcome once again everyone. This is our main premises. Welcome, let me take you inside into our main premises. You could see the posters, no mask, no entry, as we are sticking to the SOP that has been provided by the government. The hand sanitizers prescribed that has been kept over here for the visitors. Welcome once again to our main reception area. Before going into the virtual tour, let me pray to Ma Saraswati, Goddess of Wisdom. Let me introduce our receptionist, Mrs. Ritu Mathur, who takes care of the visitors. Good morning. Now, let me move to my right. I would like you to show you the CBSE corner. This is our CBSE corner, the activities that were conducted before the pandemic, which has been displayed over here. Different activities, anger-free zone, Telangana classes, prayer, cleanliness drive, Khadi Day and integrity pledge. And this is our Fit India School certificate. I'm proud to show you this as we have received this certificate. Let me move on. These are the well arranged seating arrangements for our parents and visitors. And we could show you the norms that we are maintaining during this pandemic. Now let me take you the glimpse of Divine Academy schools. These are the different activities that were conducted by us before the pandemic. We could see the lovely faces of our young kids. They were ready for planting the trees, which is the foremost important thing. They are enjoying their picnic, cleanliness drive, various occasions during the Independence and Republic Day celebrations, and rallies that were taken by our students. This is the workshop that has been conducted by the CBSE for our teachers. Now, moving ahead, let me show you the proposed design of our Divine Academy. Please have a view. Biometric unit for our staff members, suggestion box for the parents, visitors, staff members, whoever those who have. And this gate will always be closed as the entry is restricted only for the school staff members with their identities. And here let me show you the fire extinguishers, and this is properly refilled according to their dates. Let me show you the control unit and hub of our CCTV surveillance. Now please welcome into our coordinator and vice principal's room. Welcome please. Let me introduce our coordinator and she will give her introduction. Good morning.
My name is Neeru Gill. I am the coordinator at examination.
Good morning. My name is Neeru Gill. I am the coordinator and the examination in charge of the school. Being the head of the examination department, these are the records that we are maintaining here, like examination invigilator record, question papers file, consolidated mark sheets of the current and the previous years, and master result file. We are maintaining the whole record in both the ways, digitally and the hard copy form, for which we have a desktop and a printer which is placed inside in the director's office. Also, the other records that we are maintaining here in room, which is the director's office. The other records that we maintain here are the teacher's diary, in which the teachers are maintaining the lesson plans, the teacher's attendance register, and a CBSE circular file in which we keep a record of all the CBSE circulars, plus we have a co-curricular register also in which we keep a track of all the activities that we are conducting in the school during the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for explaining each and everything in detail. Thank you so much, ma'am, for explaining everything in detail. Let me now take you into our director's cabin. Please welcome inside. हाँ पहले टीवी दिखाऊंगी ठीक है This is our CCTV cam where we monitor all the activities. Entire area is under our surveillance. For the purpose of examination, and these are the laurels that were brought by our students. They participated in the internal, intra and extra activities. Let me move ahead further inside our academic block. Please welcome. Now, moving ahead, let me take you into our academic block. Welcome. Moving into our academic block, this is our direction boards that will lead you to the different rooms that have been mentioned over here. Science lab, computer lab, sports and yoga room, library, maths lab. These are the directions that will lead to the different rooms in our campus. Now, to my left, let me show you the activities that were held before the pandemic by our pre-primary kids. These are the different activities that were held before the pandemic on the different occasions that were held in our school. You could see the lovely faces which we are missing now. Moving ahead, this is our pre-primary wing, class LKG. Please welcome. Good afternoon. Once again, these are the activities that were conducted before the pandemic by our pre-primary kids under the guidance of their mother teacher. Beautifully decorated classroom and furnitures according to their height. A small play station where the children used to enjoy themselves, and a small board where they could enjoy themselves by scribbling with their small tiny hands. Let me move ahead. Everywhere you could see the bulletin boards that are present outside the classrooms and beautifully decorated by the class in charge. For all the posters and activities that were done by our small kids. Once again, I would like to show you the fire extinguisher, which were properly refilled according to their dates. Let me move ahead. For this ground floor, we have separate boys' washroom and girls' washroom. Now, let us move into the boys' washroom. The urinals were partitioned. You could see the partitions and wash basin with running water, hand wash, and toilets, as we have both Western and also Indian style. Moving ahead in this corridor, once again you could see the activities of our pre-primary kids on the different occasions. Let me move ahead to the girls' washroom. This is a separate wall, specifically has been designed to maintain the privacy for the girl children. Let me take you inside. This is for the junior wing, according to their height. These were specially seated according to their heights and age groups. Wash basin with running water and proper hand wash. As I said earlier, this campus is under CCTV surveillance. One among the camera that has been fitted over here. Further, now let me take you inside the most colorful room of our school, that is pre-primary wing, nursery wing. Wow! Beautifully painted cartoons, pictures, which were really enjoyed by our tiny tots of our school. Whiteboard with projectors, where the children used to enjoy seeing cartoon films and rhymes. As we know that visual portrayal will be more beneficial to the kids. Here on the walls we could see the different animals that were painted over here, days of the week and alphabets, cartoons, and you could also again see the furnitures, colorful furnitures that were arranged, which were actually these are of for pre-primary nursery kids. Just we are missing them now during this pandemic. Let me take you to the first floor. Let us have a look over this chart that will show you the different rooms that are in our first floor. Let us move ahead in this. This is our staircase number 1, which leads to first floor. Broad steps for the convenience of our students. Here you could see the fire hosiery, ensuring the safety norms. Once again, fire extinguishers that meet the fire norms. Welcome to the first floor. Once again, I will show you the rooms that are in our first floor. Moving ahead to my left side, here, this is our drinking water area for the first floor children. We provide RO drinking water, staff room, where our staff members used to refresh themselves. All these school class attendance registers well maintained by our class teachers. Oven and fridge for the purpose of the teachers to serve them. Moving ahead, now we are moving ahead, class 4. Good afternoon. Let us move to our next class, class 5. Good afternoon, ma'am. The bulletin boards are beautifully decorated by the posters that has been created by our children before the pandemic, and all the furnitures that are according to the heights of the children. Let me show you the bulletin boards which displays you the activities that were done before the pandemic. Once again, the fire extinguishers that have been installed over here. You could see the fire extinguishers installed over here in this corridor also. Let me take you to our next class. This is our exit door. Each and every class we just have 2 exit doors. Moving to our next class, class 6. Good afternoon, ma'am. You could have the look of the furnitures that are designed according to the age groups of the children. Let us move ahead. Once again, I just want to show you the bulletin boards with the posters that were posted over here. The second door of this particular classroom. Now, let me take you into our music and activity room. Welcome to our music room. You could see the different posters that are being posted over here. These were the instruments music teacher used to accommodate the children over here and as well as in the assembly area. Moving ahead, let me show you the proposed classroom of class 11 arts. Furnitures were designed according to the height of the children. This is our proposed classroom arts, class 11. Once again, the bulletin boards, fire extinguishers, and the second exit door of this class. And this is our proposed classroom of class 11 commerce. Well designed furnitures, colorful furnitures that suits them according to their height, and bulletin boards. Further, let us move into our most important room, that is, let me take you into our computer lab. Now, let me take you into our computer lab, the world of computer technology. Welcome into our computer lab. You could see the spacious room and the well-functional computers that has been aligned. Fully functional computers that are loaded with the softwares that suits according to the children of different categories. As we have computer classrooms,
Good afternoon. My name is Good afternoon. My name is Diksha Sharma. I am a PGT computer teacher over here. This is my computer lab, which I maintain and in which students do their practicals. I have maintained 2 registers over here. First of my stock register and second of my record register. In stock register, I maintain all the records of the computers, and in record register, I keep the record of the computer or keep the record of the practical done by the students. Thank you.
let me move into our proposed classroom, additional classrooms for class 12 arts. You could see the well furnished classroom and benches according to their age groups. Once again, I could show you the fire extinguishers which were refilled according to their dates. And further, let me move to class 12 additional classroom, vacant classroom, proposed class 12 commerce. We could see the furnitures according to their age groups. We have 2 exit doors for each and every classroom. Now let me take you into our sports and yoga room. Well, yoga. The wellness. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, has promoted yoga for the welfareness of our people, and yoga which helps us to immunity in our. Welcome to our yoga and sports room. He is our sports physical education teacher who takes care of this room. You could see the indoor games that have been displayed over here, and here our children used to practice yoga, which is an integral part. During this pandemic, yoga is very, very important, which will boost our immunity to fight against the disease. You could see the well displayed sport items that have been displayed over here. Let me show you the staircase that leads to the ground floor. This is our staircase number 2. And once again, we could have the glance of the rooms that are present in the first floor and along with their directions. Let me move ahead in this corridor further to take you into the classrooms. This is classroom number 2. Good morning. You could see the furnitures that are according to their heights of the children. Well decorated bulletin boards. Well decorated bulletin boards. Exit door number 2 of this classroom. And now let us move ahead to our composite science lab. Welcome to our science lab. This is the place where the children experiment and explore their ideas and enjoy the facts that they have learnt from their theory part. Let me hand over this to our science teacher.
Thank you, ma'am. Myself Nidhi Sharma, and I am the science TGT teacher over here. And as you can see, this is our science composite lab, and we maintain the stock register of science lab, which is well maintained, and we also maintain the science practical record register also, in which we record all the experiments which are performed by the students with the help of the teacher over the year. Moving forward, here we have the chemistry section of our lab. Test tube stands with the test tubes and test tube holder. Here we have the physical balance, with the help of which students measures the different substances and chemicals. Lab jar, in which different chemicals are filled for the use of the students for the different experiment performance. Slit lamp. Here we have the lab thermometer. This is the clamp stand, red blue litmus paper, pH paper indicator, magnesium ribbon, and here we have the different kind of indicators, synthetic and natural indicators, with the help of which students perform the different experiments, with the which helps the students to enhance their knowledge. And moving forward, here we have the bio section of the lab, microscope, this is the slide, cover slip, watch glass, and this is the separating staining solution for mount the slide. With the help of this, students makes the temporary slides and observes the under microscope and record their observation in their record. Here we have this different kind of specimen to show the students like Pinaria, male Pinus, Hydrilla, Fern, female Pinus, Vallisneria, to give the live experience to the students. And here we have the different kind of permanent slides, different stages of cell division, and we have here another microscope. If you look here, we have the extra stock and specimens as per the requirement of the syllabus, and this is our extra chemical stock according to the syllabus, and we have extra experiment for the chemistry lab. Here we have physics section. These are the measuring flask of the different volumes. This is tuning fork. These are the prism, glass slab, plane mirror, and these are different kind of lenses and mirror with the help of which students performs the light experiments of different phenomenon of lights. And these are the different kind of magnets: horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, compass, iron filling. With the help of these, students performs the different kind of experiments related to the magnet. Vernier calipers, as you can see, these are the batteries, voltmeter, ammeter, and this is the conductor insulated with the thread, and this is rheostat, that is variable resistance box. With the help of these things, students perform the experiments or related to the electricity. And here, please, you can see we have displayed all the different kind of models and charts to boost the knowledge of the students and make their teaching learning process permanent and effective. Moving forward here, we have the science safety rules to make the students aware whenever they are using the lab, that what safety measures they should take. And here we have the first aid box whenever mishappenings for the emergency condition. So this is our science composite lab, which is so resourceful, as you can see.
Thank you, Nidhi ma'am,
Welcome, ma'am.
for showing us your lab. Let me move ahead. Let me show the fire extinguisher that has been placed outside our lab for the safety purpose. The bulletin boards that has been allowed to our lab. Moving ahead, you could see the second door of our lab, exit door, which provides the safety. And this is our class 3. Please welcome. Good afternoon, ma'am. The teachers are having their online classes. Well decorated bulletin board. You could see the posters that were posted over there. Moving ahead, you could see the bulletin boards that were the posters that were painted in their art class, which depicts their skill. These bulletin boards acts as a platform for the students to display their skills. Fire extinguishers, second door, and in both ground and first floor we have separate boys washroom and girls washroom. Let me now take you into our boys washroom. Separate urinals, wash basin with running water, hand wash, separate toilets with seats. It will be cleaned and maintained by our sweepers from time to time. Let me move into the girls' washroom, which is in the first floor for these children. Both Indian and Western styles are being provided to them. Again, wash basin with running water, hand wash. The storeroom where we used to store all our documents. Now, let me move into one of our important rooms. This is our conference halls, where our management members and staff members sit together and make important decisions for the welfare of the students. Let us move ahead. Let me take you to the stairs to show you the RO plant that has been installed in the second floor. We provide clean and safe drinking water, RO drinking water. Let me show you the RO plant that has been installed over here. And these ROs are being serviced regularly. Further, let us move ahead downwards. Now, let us move ahead through the same staircase, that is number 1, to the ground floor. Please. Drinking water area, RO drinking water for the ground floor children, and you could see the separate staff restroom over there. Further, let us move. The integral and important cabin, our principal office, under the eminent guidance of our principal. Once again, you could see the different activities that were performed before the pandemic by our pre-primary kids. They were enjoying along with their teachers. Let me move into the class UKG, pre-primary kids wing. Beautiful bulletin boards that are decorated with alphabets and numbers for the young children. Class 1, good afternoon. You could see the beautiful hangings describing the months of the year for the young kids and the charts that were prepared by our kids before the pandemic. Well decorated classrooms. Further, let us move ahead in this classroom. This is the gate number 2 for the exit. And to my left, you could see the kids playing zone, where they used to enjoy themselves along with their mother teachers. This lawn, green lawn, further let us move into our next senior class, class 10. Good afternoon, ma'am. Beautiful boards and furniture that suits according to their heights. Once again, the fire extinguisher for this corridor. Bulletin boards of this respective class that have been decorated by the teacher and children. Further, let us move ahead. From here, you could see one more gate that will lead us to the ground. And here, fire safety sand buckets. Here you could see the well decorated houseboats and the activities that were done by our kids before the pandemic. from here you could have the whole view of our multi-purpose utility sports area where we used to conduct outdoor sports activities. Once again, I would like to remind about the boundary wall, tall 9 feet boundary wall, concrete boundary wall. And the beautiful trees along the boundaries with enhancers. The houseboats are being decorated. On my both the sides, you could see the green lawns, well maintained green lawns to enhance the beauty of this floor. Further, let me move to class 10. Good afternoon, sir. Bulletin boards that are decorated by our children and furniture that suits according to the class. Different activities scheduled by CBSE that were done before the pandemic. Fire extinguishers according to the safety norms. And class 9, good morning. The boards that are decorated with the posters, bulletin boards of this respective class. Further, let me move into our most important place, that is library, where we could gain our knowledge, and one should have the habit of learning.
Myself Sonia, I am librarian of Divine Academy School. I am working here since 2014. Ma'am, this is our accession register, and this one is student issue register, and this one is teacher issue register. Here, as you can see, we have resourceful library with 3200 number of books. This includes reference books for all subjects, course textbooks, NCERT books, story books, novels, magazines, journals.
Thank you, Sonia ma'am. Further, let us move. Let me move into our next senior class, class 9. Good afternoon. You could see the furnitures that have been designed according to the height of the children, and the bulletin boards that has been decorated by the posters of the children. Moving ahead, this is our next exit of this class, and next is class 8. Good afternoon. You could see the well decorated bulletin boards by the charts and models that has been pasted on the walls. Let us move ahead. And the second exit door of this class. Let us move into class 7. Good afternoon. You could see the different models that have been posted over here. Separate cupboards that has been given to the teachers to maintain their records and copies. This is the staircase number 2 that will lead us to the first floor. Once again, the fire extinguisher over here, and from here you could see the exit gate also. Moving ahead, once again you could see the different activities performed by our children before the pandemic. Fire extinguishers,
let me now show you our Max lab. Please welcome. This is our Max lab. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. I am Rakesh Kumar. I am TGT Mathematics and I am maintaining the Math Lab stock register. Okay? This is our senior wing section. Here this is Pythagoras theorem explanation, and this is the circle using to find the derivation of pi, and we have different types of triangles to show the different pattern, and this is area of triangle and area of circle, and we have also the different type of shapes to show the acute angles and right angles and quadrilateral, different types of shapes, and we have different types of marbles and different colorful marbles to show the concept of probability, and we can also find the area of parallelogram by using these patterns, these triangles and these shapes, and this is our clinometer by which we can find the height of the objects which are at certain heights, and this is theodolite and this is a weighing machine. Okay, now come to the junior section. Here there are now again different shapes for junior kids, and this is abacus, and this is our geometry box. Here we use different type of instruments, marbles, and we have also have a half meter scale, and we have also the different type of charts. By this we can show them different type of uses of mathematics in daily life. Okay, these are the different symbols used in mathematics, different definitions of rational numbers, algebraic identities, and angles, mensuration formulas, etc. We have also have a graph paper chart.
Thank you, sir, for showing your wonderful Max lab that has been well maintained by you. Thank you once again. And I would like you to show you the CCTV camera that has been installed over here to ensure the safety. Let us move ahead. As I said earlier, this is the entry gate number, exit gate number 2, fire extinguishers, and you could have a look over here. That is a special handicap washroom for the special children. And this is our another exit gate. From here, you could see once again the tall 9 feet boundary wall, continuous concrete boundary wall which stretches all over our school. Moving ahead, let me show you the multi-purpose area, utility area, where we used to have our assembly. Morning assembly is an integral part of our school. Here, the students showcase their talents by performing various activities during the morning assembly. As I said, this is a multi-utility area. Here is the place where we used to have the basketball court, where you could see our physical education teacher motivates and trains our students. We just give importance to both our boys as well as girls in participating in these games. And now let me take you to the parking zone, that is specially buses, our school transportation. Our school runs its own bus in specific routes for the convenience of our students. You could see the buses. All our buses are well equipped with cameras, GPS system, first aid box and fire extinguishers to ensure the safety of our children. And here, moving ahead, you could see the cafeteria for the children to refresh themselves during their break. From here you could see the whole area of our place, multi-utility area once again. I just would like to remind you where the different outdoor sports activities used to be held over here. And you could see the different flags of our houses. Our students have been divided into 4 houses: Shivaji, Tagore, Ashoka and Raman. Our school flag. Once again, you could have the whole view of this area, and you could see the tall boundary wall and the trees, tall trees, green trees, which add beauty to our school. Now we are moving ahead towards the transport lounge where the drivers they used to take rest, and you could see the whole view of our ground, basketball court, volleyball court, and you could see the tall trees which enhances the beauty, and from here you could have the whole view of the boundary wall. Let me show you the gate number 2. This is our gate number 2, always manned by the security guard who used to be here to ensure the safety. Let me move into our medical room. This is our medical room where we have first aid box, and immediately first aid will be given to the children if in case of any emergency. An attendant will always be available over here. And here we could see the transport in charge department who looks after the transportation of our school. Guard room number 2. As I said earlier, the entry gate 2 is always being guarded by the guard. From here we could have the whole view of our ground, and now let me take you to the another end of our ground to show the disposal unit and also the water harvesting pit. As I said earlier that I will take you to the other end of our ground, and this is the place where I told you, and from here we could see the disposal unit for disposing the waste from our school campus. Again you could see the whole view of our ground. Let me show you the water harvesting pit. This is one among the educational tools to make the children sensitized about the water conservation. The roof water will be collected. You could see the concrete high boundary wall. For being with us in this virtual tour. Let me hand over the mic to our principal, sir.
Thank you, Priya ma'am. In my opinion, our virtual tour will help our IC members to find out each and every aspect of Divine Academy, and I pray to God that in the upgradation of our senior secondary, it will help the CBSE to find each and every corner of our Divine Academy. Thanks once again. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.